When you just realize how plain tired you are of working at your 9 to 5 and not getting ahead. You feel like a little hamster on a wheel, just running and never getting traction. For 35 to 40 years, you've been working for somebody else, creating and growing their dreams and making them income while your bank account just continues to shrink because of inflation and the cost of living. I am here to tell you that there is a different way that you can redefine your retirement. Create something in the online space that actually brings you income that can not only add to your retirement, but can totally replace your 9 to 5 income that will give you more options. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what I've been doing for the last 8 months that has radically changed how we're retiring, how now I'm retired, and stick with me to the very end. I'm going to share with you the exact blueprint strategy that I've been using. I love how this is not only changing my life, but other people's lives. Like, check out this right here. If you want to learn from the same thing she's doing, just pop blueprint below and I'll make sure I send that off to you. 8 years ago, I was looking for a way to earn online because that's when I became a grandma to a beautiful 6-pound, 7-ounce little girl. And it's radically changed the way I wanted to earn an income. I was tired of showing up and somebody else dictating my time, telling me when I could have time off, telling me when I could go on holidays, for how long. I've been doing that all my life. But because we got our financial act together late, in our 40s, that we still needed that money for retirement. So I still needed an income. I was trying to figure out a way how to create a different way to earn. Now, thankfully, there are many different options in this world today. For yes, even us 50-year-olds, 60-year-olds, we can tap into the online space to create an income that is portable, flexible, and we can do on our own time schedule. Now, first, if you're going to jump in the online space, there's a few things that you need to do. There are multiple ways that you can earn online. You need to choose which vehicle works best for you. One of the great ways, if you don't mind being on video, is to do YouTube. YouTube is a great way to start earning an income. You can see from my channel here, I am teaching fellow midlifers how to reinvent their retirement and make an income. You can monetize off YouTube. Now, I had no clue how to do that, so I was doing a little bit of research and I came across a complete program that has taught me a skill set so that I could start earning. Now, YouTube is just one way. I also figured out you can earn from multiple different avenues like affiliate marketing, digital marketing, promoting different products, like being an Amazon influencer. There are multiple ways that you can impact your retirement by earning digitally. Now, I did a little bit of research. I tried affiliate marketing and it was okay, but making a certain percent, gives you a little bit of fun money, helps you to create a little bit of extras maybe for birthdays or having a little holiday here or there. But I wanted something that could literally replace my 9 to 5. Like, I still needed that for retirement. I still needed that income because, like I said, we were short. So I wanted life-changing income, and that just wasn't going to get me it with at least the affiliate marketing that I was using. I was trying the Amazon influencer, and that's okay too, but very tiny percent. Now, these things do add up, so if you can combine them all, but it does take a lot of work to combine all those things. And honestly, I was interested in trying to work smarter and not only harder, right? I was already working hard. I've been working hard for like 35, 40 years. I was tired of working hard. I knew I wanted to work smarter, so I needed to figure that out. Then I came across digital marketing with a blueprint. Now, this blueprint made the whole world of difference for me, and it's literally making a world of difference for other people. I see it every day in our community. I've been using this for literally 8 months. I've gone from 0 to over 400, almost $500,000. What sounds more, 500,000 or 500,000? I'll take either one because they're both exactly the same. 500,000 sounds more to me, and that's exactly what this Canadian grandma has done by learning this skill set. Now, I've retired. This is my first official week of being retired. Now I can dictate my time. I can play with my grandkids whenever I want. This blueprint shows me 2 hours of income producing activities that I can do literally. One fits around my schedule. Because I run this from my phone or my laptop, I have the ability now to create an income remotely, wherever I am. Now that gives me so much freedom. I have my retirement now, but I'm creating an income while I'm retiring. Now what does that do? That means I have a lot more options in my retirement. I can travel. I can do things, check off my bucket list because I have money coming in. Not only am I creating an income by following the steps in this program, I'm also learning how to create an income off YouTube, how to do affiliate marketing the correct way without adding more stress and time to my day. It's the best of both worlds. Win, 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 win. So there are options for us in our 50s, in our 60s to start learning, training our 55-year-old brain new tricks so we can get a different result. My life has radically changed from implementing these strategies and this skill set and following this blueprint because it's been 8 months from zero to over $500,000. That has radically changed our life. Our retirement is looking totally different. A year ago, I was stuck on that hamster gerbil wheel, round and around and around, never getting any traction. It's not just happening for me. I see it daily in our community. Look at this girl right here, this one right here, this one right here. If you want to see some of the income that I've made, because I get it, I know it's like, who do you trust in the online space? This is what you need to go to this video right here. Just look it up. I do show some of my income so you can see that actually it's legit, telling the truth. I know how it feels. I know the struggle is real. Not having enough in this world of worlds today for our retirement. It's kind of a little scary, but I want to tell you there are ways that you can reinvent your retirement. If you want to learn more, happy to share with you the blueprint that I've been following because this is the exact blueprint that I've been using for the last 8 months to achieve these results. Find the link in the description below, click on that. You'll come to a lander page like this, put in your email address, you'll get an automated email from me, which is awesome. And that's what gives you your freedom back when you learn how to set up automations like this one. And that way you can be enjoying life while your automations are doing the work for you. It's our freedom machine. It's our little secret. No, it's really key to earning in the online space is learning these techniques and strategies. Put your email address in, get the blueprint from me, and learn from it. Because I believe knowledge is power. Gives you the information that you need to make the best decision for you. Radically changing our life. I'd love you to learn it for yourself so you can radically reinvent your retirement, get off the struggle bus, and start creating an income for yourself that's portable, flexible, and gives you options. You can thrive in retirement, not only survive. If you want to watch more, this video right here on the screen is going to show you our webinar, how the business works. Just learn, ask your questions. I'm always happy to answer. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.